What if a very poor man found a bag of gold in his dream? Would he become rich? Or would he lose everything? Let's find out. Once upon a time, there was a man named Alex. Alex was very poor. He had no money, no house, and lived in a small, broken hut. Every day he worked extremely hard carrying heavy boxes, but earned very little. At night, he was always tired and had only one meal, a small piece of bread. One night, Alex was exhausted. As soon as he fell asleep, he entered a beautiful dream. He saw a magnificent white palace. Suddenly, a man dressed in golden clothes appeared and said, "Alex, I will give you a special gift, a bag of gold. But remember this carefully. You can use this gold for good things. If you use it for bad things, it will disappear." Alex took the heavy bag and felt overjoyed. When he woke up the next morning, he looked beside his bed, and the bag was really there. It wasn't a dream. The gold was real. Alex was thrilled. He bought a big, beautiful house, expensive clothes, and delicious food. But soon he started to change. He stopped working. He stopped helping his friends. He only thought about himself and his gold. He proudly said, "I don't need anyone. I have gold." Then one morning, Alex opened the bag, and it was empty. There was no gold left, only small stones. He cried out in shock, "Where is my gold?" He ran to his old friends for help, but no one wanted to help him. They said, "You forgot us when you had money. Now you are alone." Alex sat on the roadside with nothing. He felt sadder than ever before. He cried for a long time. Then, slowly, he understood the truth. The gold was never the problem. He was the problem. He had become selfish. He had forgotten kindness and friendship. The next day, Alex went back to work. He carried heavy boxes again, but this time he had a smile on his face. He helped his friends and shared his small piece of bread with others. And you know what? He was happier than he had ever been. Because real happiness is not found in gold. Real happiness lives in a kind heart. What did we learn today? Money is good, but kindness is better. If you liked Alex's story, please press like and subscribe for more beautiful English stories. See you next time.